Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County and north central Illinois, Lee County and north central Illinois, eastern Oakland County and north central Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Stillman Valley to Dixon to Deer Grove and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Walton and Ashton around 3:55 p.m., Hillcrest around 4 o'clock p.m., Rochelle and Ambler around 4:05 p.m., Paw Paw around 4:35 p.m. Other locations affected: Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Moorhead State Park, Oakland County Fairgrounds, Fox Valley College, Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 82, Interstate 39 between mile markers 76 and 107.